Hey, it's Shane Voth here with Infill Hub Group at RE/MAX. I'm at Altadore to check on the progress of that beautiful modern farmhouse by SANGRA Developments. Let's go see what they've been working on. Well, as you guys can see, all the tile is on site. This one's moving along very quickly. The finisher's been in here doing all the carpentry work, such as this beautiful feature ceiling. Well, they've really maximized the space. You get two really good sized bedrooms, laundry room upstairs, as well as a big full washroom, and of course, the beautiful master bedroom. You know what, there's a lot of details to love about this place, such as the black windows. So SANGRA really pays attention to details, love features such as the shiplap that's in the washroom, custom built cabinets in the laundry room, closets, and even this little nook here in the master bedroom. Can't wait to see this one finished product.